Hey guys, what's going on? Thanks for watching, thanks for being a subscriber, and if you're not, don't forget to subscribe. But in this video, we're driving to Redneck Yacht Club, Adriana and I, and what happens, we lose our brakes. Look, here goes. Look, still driving. Look down and it's still going. Like nothing says here, brake. And after I lost my brakes, then it said brake, no brake fluid. What else happened? We missed our turn twice. So you want to tell everybody what just happened? We were 20 minutes away from Redneck Yacht Club. We pulled out of Walmart. We weren't paying attention. Now we're 40 minutes away. We saw a really cool limo. Hey, what's that in back of you? Limousine. You want to take the limo home?
Yes, please.
The golf cart's not good enough for you, huh? Rode in the truck with Nick. Nick from Limitless 4x4. He drives a grass money truck.
Limitless 4x4.
Limitless 4x4, okay. But anyway, so what ends up happening is he's got my golf cart. He's gonna be rebuilding my golf cart. Hey, we're working out a deal here. What do you think? Grass money HP golf cart.
That's right. I think that's what you need.
Right? Because also in this video, the golf cart breaks down. All right, so we broke down again. They helped me push. Thank you. So we're on the side here, broken down. The first time that I take Adriana over to Redneck Mud Park. This is it. So what do you think so far?
It's so good so far.
And what else happened in this video? That limo was pretty cool. The ride with Nick was cool. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Check out the video. Don't forget the thumbs up. Oh yeah, and if you're on Facebook, don't forget to go down into the link into Limitless 4x4, their Facebook page, because he's gonna be posting pictures of my golf cart as he's rebuilding it. Like his Facebook page. I won't see the golf cart until it's done, but I will be watching it on Limitless 4x4 Facebook page. So go ahead and go like that page. Thanks, here's the video. Friday night, we are on our way to the Redneck Mud Park. This is great. So I'm watching the video.
This easy job takes less than an hour.
It takes less than an hour.
$15 to $30 to complete, whereas a professional may charge $100 or more to replace the brake fluid on your truck. This job requires .3 brake fluid, an empty container, 3/16-inch clear tubing,
Do we have all that?
a wrench, a jack and jack stands, a tire iron, a turkey baster or similar suctioning tool, and an assistant or helper.
I got my assistant. Oh, we gotta raise the vehicle. No way. That's how you do brake
Raise
fluid?
the truck until a jack stand can be slid underneath the lower control arm or frame rail. Lower the truck
I
onto
have
the
a
jack stand
feeling
and
we're
remove
not-
the wheel.
We're
Repeat
gonna-
the
really?
3 wheels or jack up and support
No
all four
way.
motors at once. Step 2. Bleed the brakes. Open the hood and remove the master cylinder cap located on the driver's side firewall. Using a turkey baster, siphon off any old brake fluid from the reservoir.
How do we?
Off with the new
Oh my God.
Attach the tubing to
Whoa, let's go get the turkey baster. We're at Walmart.
your valve is located on the caliper.
Go get the turkey baster.
Closest to the truck frame.
Who's gonna raise the truck?
Loosen the bleeder screw with a wrench and let fluid drain from the
Hold on. We gotta get a wrench
container.
also.
Have an assistant pump the pedal until the clean, new fluid starts to come out bubble-free. Properly tighten the bleeder screw so fluid isn't wasted. Reinstall bleeder screw cap if applicable. Repeat these steps for the driver's side rear brake, then passenger side front
No
brake,
way.
and driver's side front brake.
We're going to Walmart. She's making fun of me. I don't believe, she said. I don't believe. What don't you
I
believe?
believe that you are a doctor.
I'm the doctor.
wait.
See, look. Look how I'm dressed.
Yeah, let me record it.
What?
For people to see you, how you're going to
I showed them already. Okay, come on, let's do it. Get on. You don't want to do it? It's not working. Go ahead, tell everybody how much trouble you were causing at the store.
Yes. Because they thought that we was homeless.
Yeah, he thought we were homeless. Like nothing says here break. That looks like on the video, right? Or no? That doesn't look like on the video? That's your like coolant, I think, here, right? I think this is it. Honestly. No, I don't. What's it say? Don't even tell me this says it in Spanish. It does.
What they say?
Here, read this. What's it say? No kidding. That friggin' Spanish?
Antes de extraerlo,
What's it say?
solamente. Advertencia. Limpieza ¿qué dice ahí?
Sí,
Limpieza de lleno antes de extracto.
Is that break fluid?
Solamente fluido de frenos.
Fluido de what?
De frenos.
What's the frenos?
Is brakes.
Oh, okay, perfect.
One moment.
Okay.
Let me see.
The frenos.
One moment.
Oops.
Let me read.
Oh, shit.
Ay, no.
What? Is that it? Right?
Advertencia, limpie el tapón de lleno antes de extraerlo. Use solamente fluido de frenos
What's a frenos?
y brake.
Okay, so then that's it. How far do I go? What's so funny? What are you laughing?
Dot 3 en un recipiente.
Dot 3. I got dot 3. Oh, it says dot 3. Look.
Dot 3.
Dot 3.
Ahí, dot 3 en un recipiente.
I can't believe it freaking says it in Spanish.
Yes, you very lucky.
Yeah, but I'm not going to bleed anything and I'm not raising the truck.
Ask him. He's going to there.
What? Ask him what?
Look,
What?
your neighbor. He's
Oh,
going.
they're going.
They're going.
She says ask them. Let's follow them. They're going. See, look, this is why I wear clothes like this. See, let me cramp.
Ay! Caramba!
As we were driving, all of a sudden my brakes went out. And I'm like trying to figure out why, what happened or whatever. But then the sign went up on there that said, need brake fluid. How do I get out of here? It's still loose though. It's still like, I can still pump it. Yeah, it's still not stopping.
Okay,
Let's see.
practice here.
Look, I got it all the way down and it's still
Practice
going.
here. It's not good to practice when you are very fast.
Well,
Yeah, but don't forget.
it's tighter. I gotta pump it. I'm pumping it.
Yeah, but you saw in the video they said after
You
you,
have to-
put the fluid, what they tell you.
You have to bleed the brakes and get the air out, I guess, or whatever, but I'm not jacking it up. Okay, we'll get there.
And explain. Luckily, you have a Spanish girlfriend
Yeah.
to traduce
Yeah, that is actually kind of crazy.
because they said in Spanish. And
Yeah.
if no, you won't have a clue.
Yeah, you're right. I wouldn't have known. I would have not have known where to put it. On a Ford truck, it said it in Spanish. And I'm still, look, I've got them pressed it all the way down and it's still moving. Whatever, I mean, we gotta get there. I'll find out from somebody
Yeah,
over
but
there.
no in red.
Well, I can't stop, so we'll just roll right through. Yeah, I'm so, like, I got it all the way down. Look. Thank God it turned green. Okay, hopefully we get there. So you want to tell everybody what just happened? We were 20 minutes away from Redneck Yacht Club. We pulled out of Walmart. We weren't paying attention. Now we're 40 minutes away. We were going the wrong way.
Very lucky.
Holy cow. We could have already been there. So we're making a U-turn right now.
Proceed to the route.
Proceed to the route, yeah.
In
See?
8.8 miles, keep right onto West Magnolia Street.
now we're 40 minutes away. We were 20 minutes away when we were at Walmart. So which means we could have been there already.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Because we was talking and talking.
We were talking and talking, we weren't paying attention. And Siri, the directions were turned down. Did you tell
In
everybody?
3.8 miles, turn left onto Southeast Highway 31.
I wasn't paying attention and we passed it again. Okay, so tell everybody what happened this time.
Because we was talking again about our plans, about our traveling and projects that we have.
That we missed it again.
Yes, until when I asked you why we're still driving.
And
It's crazy.
that is funny. Oh my God.
Ay, Dios mío.
Yeah. So we're talking, and we missed. Okay, look, there it is. This is, I got no brakes. Watch this. Look, here goes. Still driving. Look down and it's still going. So I got no brakes. We missed a turn twice. Other than that, everything's great.
Arrived.
1:57 a.m. Redneck Yacht Club. We made it. So what do you think?
Very good so far.
Very good so far. We missed our turn. She fell asleep how many times?
About 4 or 5. We
She
missed
fell-
the turn.
We missed the turn a
maybe
few
3
times,
or 4
exactly.
times passing by
Exactly.
Walmart.
Yeah.
The same way, up, down, up, down.
Huh.
Look at this car.
Look at this car. look at this car. Okay. Let me find my VIP tickets. Hey, thanks, man, for letting me in. What's up?
How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you? What?
How many are in the vehicle?
There's 2 of us.
Any guns, ammunition, glass bottles?
No.
You mind if I do a quick search of the vehicle?
Yep, it's all you. Okay, so we made it here with a couple errors. Drain water separator, that's been going on for like the last 5 years. But brake fluid low with no brakes. But we made it. And that's the line to get in at 2 o'clock in the morning. We made it in. So let's see what's going on. So what do you think? Have you ever seen anything like this or what?
No, I never
No?
been in something
No?
like this. No,
Really?
no.
So what do you think so far?
New,
Oh look, he's stuck already. See?
new experience.
New experience. All right, shutting the camera off. We're going to find some parking. Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning.
What's up? Look, 11:30. We're finally getting out. Look what somebody gave me.
What's that?
Here,
What's that?
it's a Jello shot.
What is that? I don't know.
Open.
I know.
Here, take some. It's okay. Yeah, wait. Jello. No good?
Jelly.
Here, you press it. Did you ever have anything like that?
No, I love jelly. But I never had this in this way.
There's alcohol in that.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, let's go out. This is it. So what do you think so far?
It's so good so far. It's
So-
amazing. It's good. It's unusual. It's the real American festival, and that's what we want to show to the world. American side.
American parties.
American
Mud parties?
Real parties.
camping areas. Look at a limousine over there. What'd you catch?
HDBroadcasting.com!
Hey, you're all right.
Tilapia.
Nice. What are you gonna do with it?
Eat it.
All right. Is that
I
what
love
you?
your videos, man.
Hey, thanks so much. Greatly appreciate it. So who do we have here?
Chris from Milton, Florida, with my lovely wife Shannon. My mom come up from Fort Myers, so we're definitely enjoying it. So this is her first time and her third time. So we've always had a good time here. Nobody fishes. Everybody's here to have a party and get drunk. Got me fish.
That's awesome.
Eat fish tonight.
That's
hey,
awesome.
Keep up the good videos, man.
Thank you. Nice meeting you. Be good. Be safe.
How you do?
Check out this truck. What do you think of that truck?
Wow.
Crazy,
This is
huh?
amazing.
So you gonna let me get a truck like that or what?
Yes, you can buy.
You gonna drive it?
Yes, of course. When you do it, you go.
Are you gonna drive the golf cart?
Yes. I can't wait.
All right, so we broke down again. They helped me push. Thank you. So we're on the side here, broken down. 300 bucks. I paid to fix it. So I put more oil in it. He said that it was oil. And there you go, listen to it. Shit. That's it. So who do we have here?
Mike.
From where?
How you doing?
What's going on? Looks like you guys are having fun over here. Yeah. So where's the? Hey, look. You want a Jello shot? Yeah.
That's nice.
What? Hey. Show your titties. You get a Jello shot.
We'll let her catch up later.
Thanks. Have fun.
See you, buddy. Have a good one.
Thank you. You too. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, but as you saw in this video, the brakes went out after the low brake fluid light went on. We pulled out of Walmart, we went the wrong way, drove an extra 20 minutes, turned around, passed our turn, turned around again, finally got to the Redneck Yacht Club, I don't know, whatever, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. And then what else happened? So the next day we woke up, was expecting a nice day. What happened? We went for a ride in the golf cart broke down, so we left it on the main road over there. Walked back to the RV and had a couple drinks and then went to the races. So the next visit's gonna be, the next video is gonna be the races. We'll see you next time. And thanks for the thumbs up.
Who's that? I build all their shit.
Oh, you built their shit? Oh, really? Hey, so we're gonna make the HD golf cart, the grass money golf cart, right? What's the name of your company?
Limitless 4x4.
Limitless 4x4, okay. So, I don't know. Right. yeah, and I forgot to thank Nick. He drives the Grass Money truck, and he's got a company, Limitless 4x4. He does rebuilds. He's gonna rebuild my golf cart. I can't wait. It's gonna take about 3 or 4 weeks. It's April 2nd right now, and I can't wait to, I don't know, it's gonna be Mac Daddy when he gets done with it. So check him out on Facebook. The link's in the description. Make sure you go like his page. And he'll be posting pictures of the rebuild, so I can't wait. I'm not gonna see it until it's done, so I'm gonna keep an eye on his Facebook page to see what he's got going on with it. So I can't wait to see it.
Look at that guy. Have you ever been stuck like that?
A few times.
Oh, you have been stuck like that?
That's why you gotta have upgrades.
Upgrade.
That was 10 years ago.